Hi Space Apps Challenge, we're Trill Space Ministry, and for our challenge we did Chasers of the Lost Data. For our challenge we thought it was important to be able to obtain lost data that might be lost from sensors and other hardware. We believe it's important to be able to get this data because it can be lost from due to things like static and other things like that. So we thought it was important to learn techniques of machine learning to be able to determine missing data for satellites and be able to use that data in other causes such as flu vaccines and other CDC pandemics to be able to justify and know when that data is going to occur even without that data.
So we tackled what NASA gave us, the data on fireballs, using a fireball database API, and we used that data to start learning about these machine learning algorithms before we tackle larger problems like the flu. The fireball data was very messy. We had VXs, VYs, VZs, these velocity components for the different fireballs, and what was missing was a lot of that data. And so I tried to use graphing and other techniques to try to make some intuitive sense about what data we already have before we tried. I used graphs to make some intuitive sense of the velocity data we did have to try to then make good estimates about what data we have missing. This didn't always work out well.
For our solution, we used machine learning to be able to calculate the data. We were able to get our data sets from the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory Center, able to filter out all the missing data, take all the good data from it to be able to use for our data sets. We were able to run testing on that, and based off our random processes of removing numbers from it, we were able to get a 97.69% probability rate of being able to accurately predict what the calculation should be for missing data.